Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the ZUKRAVE Women's and Girls Makeup Kit, a massive 22-piece set that's got everything you need for a full glam look, all in one amazing pack. Let's dive into this beauty haul and see if it's as good as it sounds. First up, the 7 black makeup brushes. They're sleek, soft, and perfect for applying everything in this kit. I use the big fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow. No shedding and they blend so smoothly. Love the chic black vibe. Next, the eyeshadow palette. It's got vibrant shades from mattes to shimmers, perfect for day or night looks. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is solid, a little powdery but buildable with a brush. The 4IN1 Red Edition Matte Mini Lipstick is a star, 4 stunning red shades in one pack. I tried the boldest one, and it's creamy matte and transfer proof, stayed on through coffee. The contour stick is smooth and blendable. I sculpted my cheekbones and it added definition without looking heavy. The foundation is lightweight with good coverage. I blended it with the Beauty Blender and it evened out my skin tone perfectly. That blender is soft and bouncy too. The primer smooths my pores and the fixer spray locks it all in. I tested it and my makeup stayed waterproof and sweatproof all day. The 3-in-1 eye combo, eyeliner, mascara, and brow gel is so handy. The black is intense and makes my eyes pop. The 36H Kajal is jet black and creamy. I lined my waterline and it didn't budge. Incredible staying power. This kit is a dream for beginners or anyone wanting an affordable all-in-one set. It's not luxury, but for the price, it's a total win. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this ZUKRAVE set or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.